Today is May 1st, 2026, and the world of X, or formerly Twitter, just got a massive upgrade that is going to change the way we look at our timelines forever. If you have been using X Web today, you might have noticed something different when you type a dollar sign followed by your favorite asset. We are talking about the official launch of Smart Cashtags. Whether you are looking for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or even in stocks like Tesla and MicroStrategy, X has officially turned your social media feed into a real-time trading terminal. But while the tech is moving forward, Elon Musk just dropped a massive bombshell during his testimony in the OpenAI trial that has the whole crypto community talking. He literally labeled most crypto assets as scams. The title of the news here states that Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, DOGE, and MSTR hashtags go live on X Web. Musk says most crypto are scams. So in this video, we are going to dive deep into these two conflicting stories. Why would Musk build a trading terminal for assets he thinks are mostly scams? What does this mean for the future of XRP and Dogecoin on the platform? And most importantly, how do we navigate this as a trader? So we've got a lot to cover, and let's jump right in. Let's start with the first question about why did X launch smart cash tags for Bitcoin, XRP, and stocks today? The news broke just a few hours ago. X product head Nikita Beer confirmed that smart cash tags are now live for web users in the US and Canada. Here's the screenshot of the cash tags on web. This isn't just a simple link anymore. When you type something like $XRP or $TSLA, you now get interactive, real-time financial data, live price charts, and curated feed of posts specifically for that asset. So in my own personal opinion, for a long time, we had to jump between X for news and TradingView or CoinGecko for prices. By bringing the charts directly into the app, Musk is making X the Bloomberg terminal for the everyman. In my view, this is the first real step toward X money. It creates a sticky ecosystem where you never have to leave the app to make a financial decision. It's a brilliant marketing and even better utility. So, the support for MSTR and Maramin X is focusing on institutional crypto. It's not just about the coins. The new hashtag feature supports major crypto proxy stocks like MicroStrategy, Mar Holdings, and Coinbase or Coin. This is a huge signal that X is targeting the serious investor, not just the meme coin hunters. So, in my own personal opinion, I believe this is a strategic move to bridge the gap between Wall Street and Crypto Street. By putting MSTR right next to BTC on the same interface, X is validating crypto as a legitimate asset class for the stock market. It makes it easier for traditional investors to see the correlation between Bitcoin and the companies that hold it. As someone who watches these markets daily, this integration makes X the most powerful tool in a trader's arsenal. Now, why did Elon Musk label most crypto assets as scams in court? Here is where the story takes a wild turn. While his team was launching these amazing features, Elon Musk was in a courtroom for his high-profile lawsuit against Sam Altman and the OpenAI. During his testimony, he was asked about the 2018 plan for OpenAI to launch an ICO, or initial coin offering, to fund their nonprofit operations. So Musk's response is that he said some crypto assets have merit, but most are scams. So in my own personal opinion, honestly, Musk isn't wrong. Even if the truth hurts, he isn't wrong. We have all seen the thousands of rug pulls and pumps and dumps that happen every single day. By calling them out in a legal testimony, Musk is distancing himself from the wild west of crypto while protecting the assets he actually believes in, like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. It is a tough love moment for the industry, but one that might be necessary for long-term survival. So, could Musk's scam comment be a hint at a major X cleanup? Think about it. If the owner of X thinks most crypto is a scam and he just launched a feature that highlights a specific hashtags, does that mean he's going to start filtering what we see? The current supported list includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Bonk, USDT, USDC, and others. In my own personal opinion, I think we are about to see a verified asset era on X. If your favorite token doesn't have a smart hashtag with a live chart, the community might start viewing it as unverified or risky. Musk is using his platform to curate the market. While some might call this centralization, I see it as a way to protect retail investors from the very scams Musk just warned the court about. So, how does the Wealthsimple integration change the game for X users? We also got news of a pilot integration with Canada's leading brokerage, and that is the Wealthsimple. This allows users to actually trade stocks and crypto directly from the smart Cashtags on X. In my opinion, this is the holy grail of social media. Imagine seeing a piece of news about XRP, checking the real-time chart on the same screen, and hitting a buy button without ever closing your browser. It removes all the friction from trading. For me, this is the future of finance. It's fast, it's social, and it's dangerous for traditional banks. Musk is building a bank right under their noses. So, why does Musk remain committed to Bitcoin and Dogecoin? Despite his scam comments, the data shows Musk is still a huge believer in the top tier of crypto. Tesla currently holds over 11,509 Bitcoin, and SpaceX holds over 8,200 Bitcoin. Combined, that's over 1.54 billion dollars in value. And we all know his legendary support for Dogecoin. So my opinion about this is that Musk's strategy is clear. Focus on the merit. He sees Bitcoin as digital gold and Dogecoin as as people's currency. Everything else in his eyes is just noise or a distraction. For us traders, the lesson is to follow the liquidity and institutional backing. If Musk is willing to put $1.54 billion of his company's money into an asset, he doesn't think that one is a scam. Overall, the launch of smart hashtags on XWeb is a massive win for all of us. It makes our lives easier and our trading faster. But Elon's comments in court served as a powerful reminder. Be careful out there. Not every coin is a gem, and most are, as he says, scams. Stick to the assets with real utility, real adoption, and now real charts on X. And this finally ends our video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.